All right, y'all, 2023 is currently underway, and we are getting some bounces on multiple coins. So in today's video, I'm going to be covering some of the coins that I'm trading, the targets that I have, as well as why we are getting some of these moves. What a way to start the year, guys. Now, I want to start off with XRP. Yesterday, XRP had a very violent move to the downside. In fact, we can see over here, if we come to the 1 minute time frame last night, we actually did get a move down about 12% in one candlestick. Okay, if we take out our measuring tool from the top of this 1 minute candle all the way to the bottom of that wick, a 12.59% move to the downside. And then immediately that was followed up by a very strong bounce. In fact, if we come back to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that not only did we get a bounce, but we've actually now come up more than the initial drop. So we've had an 18% move to the upside. So I want to kind of go over this move here. What the heck happened with XRP? Well, as you can see, I'm actually in an XRP long right now, and this was one of the key levels that we were looking at over in the VIP Discord. This is why it's so important to have your technical analysis on point, guys, so that you can be prepared for moves like this. Now, last night I was actually out on a walk. I was chasing some chickens because I had some roosters that got out of their enclosed area and they were living in the woods for a while, and you can only catch them at night because they're fast, right? So I'm out trying to catch these roosters, and I get an alert on my phone that XRP has come down to hit the bottom of this blue line. Now, when we are trading assets, right, we always want to identify sideways ranges. Why is that? It's because if we go ahead and turn on some technical analysis right here, we can see that oftentimes any asset that we're looking to trade will trade sideways, right? And when we first got into investing, we all remember the advice that our grandfather gave us. He said, well, you know, when you told your grandfather you were going to get into investing, you were nervous to tell him, because, you know, you were kind of a burnout, right? You hadn't gone to college, you dropped out of high school, you tried to make it as a musician, that didn't really work out, right? Your grandfather's like, what are you going to do with your life? You're like, Grandpa, I'm going to get into trading. You thought he was going to shoot you down, but instead, he gave you that smile, you know? He said, son, let me tell you a thing or two about investing. Investing's so dang easy, even you could do it. All you got to do is buy low and sell high. Now, how do we determine what is low and high? We do it by looking at the sideways range, okay? And clearly, if an asset has found support at a place multiple times in the past, we then look for that point to find support again. And once we come down to that level, we want to look for divergences to determine, is there going to be a break down from the support, or is that support going to hold? This is like the fundamental aspect of trading. What we want to look for is we want to look for something like this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn on my indicator, market cipher B. What I want to see is, as we are coming down to that area of support, I want to see two things. Number one, I want to see divergences showing that the momentum is getting higher as the price is getting lower, and I also want to see this money flow right here getting higher as the price is getting lower right into our zone. This is called a divergence, guys. Very, very important when it comes to trading at key levels. When price comes to an objectively low level and you see this pattern here with the purple money flow is getting higher and these humpy waves here are getting higher, kind of like this, okay? Sam Bankman-Fried. His chest, very uneven. We can see the man boobs right here with the green nipples are getting higher, and this purple money flow is getting higher as the price is getting lower. That is letting us know that we're going to get a reversal. So why did XRP get a drop like this? The truth is, guys, honestly, I don't know, and I don't care. All I do know is what the chart is telling me, okay? The chart is telling me this, and look at the bounce that we have gotten right now. So where are the next targets for XRP? Well, if we are trading a sideways range, we want to first look at the center point now of the range, which is going to be around 37 cents, and then around 47 cents. But we can even get some more targets. Let me go ahead and turn off Market Cipher real quick. We can even get more targets by using some fib levels, okay? If we take a Fibonacci retracement tool and we take it from that last major high that we put in to the last low, we can see that we are getting some major confluence around this zone, around the 37 to 39 cent zone right there. Okay, that is going to be the next major resistance. If we take another fib from this high to the low, we can see perfectly the Fibonacci levels are lining up with that 45 to 50 cent zone. So personally, I've already taken profit one on the long, and because we are at key support, I am potentially going to be looking to hold this back to the resistances. Does it mean we're going to get there? No. And this is why we take partial profits, move our stop loss to the entry, guaranteed to win. Now, if this is something you want to learn, if you want to learn how to trade this way, you can check out the course at jasoncaspertrading.com. This course will give you the knowledge and the skills you need to become a confident, profitable trader, because it will give you the step-by-step process you need to have in order to not only not get wrecked, but have a plan when you come to these charts so that you can be outside looking for chickens and able to enter a trade because you were prepared for it, okay? You don't have to struggle anymore, okay? Now, I also want to take a look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is actually doing the same exact thing as XRP is doing. In fact, if we go to a more zoomed out time frame and we pull a fixed range volume profile right here, we can see that Bitcoin also came down to the bottom of the support. If we go ahead and take a look at this, setup was given in advance over in the VIP Discord. By the way, if you want to join the VIP Discord, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. It's an educational group, guys. It is not a signals group, but we do give the levels, we do give the setups, and you will learn one heck of a lot. Best bear market trading Discord in the world right now. So you can see Bitcoin, we were looking for us to come down to the low, right? Buy low and sell high, son, right? That's what our grandfather told us. We were looking for good old Sam Bankman-Fried's man boobies coming out to play, jiggling all around, right? Okay, well, guess what? Bitcoin did come down to that level, and we can also see on the 4-hour time frame that we did so with our bullish divergences, okay? We could pull them from here, we could pull them from here. The price was getting lower as the momentum was getting higher. And guys, I am also currently right now in the long trade. As you can see right here, I'm in multiple long trades. I am in one over on MEXC. MEXC, a great exchange if you want to start trading on MEXC. If you're looking for another account, use my affiliate link in the description below to get 0% limit order fees and 33% off market order fees. Also, guys, I am in a Bitcoin long over here on Bitget as well. If you want to trade on Bitget, you can also check the link in the description of the video. I'm not here to shill exchanges, guys. Don't trade unless you know how to trade, right? Seriously, don't trade unless you know how to trade. But because I'm affiliated with these exchanges, you can get some nice rewards for signing up through my affiliate link. So you can see Bitcoin doing the same thing. So where are our next areas of resistance for Bitcoin? Well, funny you should ask that. Let's take a look right now at the chart. 12-minute time frame, okay? Where are we coming up to right now? We're coming up to 16,750. If we put on some more technical analysis right here, in fact, I have to quickly put on my Bitget chart. Let's put on some technical analysis right here. And let's take a look at the very important levels that we are coming up to right now, okay? We are coming up to very important areas of support. It's very similar to what we saw with Cardano. But look at this, guys. Look at this, okay? Right above us, we have a very key area around 16,800. We have a very high volume node. We have a local range value area high. And so 16,800 is my first area of resistance, my next take profit for this long trade. Now, if we manage to come above this 16,800 area, we do have some other areas of resistance above us, but the main area of resistance, the major area that we have to be aware of is going to be that $17,400 level. Why? That's because if we're just looking to do what our grandfather said, buy low and sell high, we can see that the $17,400 area is that high value area high, okay? The objective high of the range, right? We were longing objectively at the low. We take profit 1 at this center point right here. And now take profit 2 for me. I do have some intermediate take profits at these highs, but this is going to be a major high. In addition, if we take the Fibonacci retracement tool from the swing high to the swing low, we can see if we go ahead and turn on our golden pocket, the 618 Fibonacci and the 0.65 Fibonacci, that we have the golden pocket coming in right around that area, and there are different kinds of golden pockets that we could pull from different zones to get that 618 kind of lining up with that area. Either way, guys, there's a lot of confluence at this range high. So if we start to get a move up, don't get overexcited. Don't start longing the top. Don't go against what your grandfather said. He told you to buy low. He didn't tell you to buy high, so don't be longing up here. Unless you have an entry, of course. Okay. Now, That being said, guys, that's it for today's video. I do believe we are going to have some volatility now that it's a new year. A lot of things are going to be happening. This is the time, guys, if you want to get into trading, to really put in the work, learn how to do this, have a plan, have a strategy, learn risk management, learn technical analysis, because those of us who are sticking it through these tough times, when the bull market comes back, we are the ones that are going to be crushing it, man. So with that being said, God bless everybody. In the name of Jesus the Messiah, I pray everybody is very blessed. And I know not everyone's religious, that's okay. I still pray that you are very blessed. And I will see everybody in the next video. Peace.